Again, it's 3 a.m. Cash is weighing on you, and you're avoiding debt altogether. Many CEOs wear this badge of no debt is good, and I respect it. But if your business is healthy and cash still feels tight, you may simply be going through a stage where you're outgrowing your current resources. I'm here to tell you not all debt is bad. Use wisely and use to fund growth, not losses. Debt smooths lumpy cash cycles. Secure a line of credit before you need it. When you have leverage, then use it selectively to support working capital as AR grows while you fix operational drivers. We've covered forecasting, DSO, growth timing, customer profitability, and cash conversions. These are all things that you can do to help avoid the 3 a.m. sleepless night. Don't try to fix all six at once. Pick the one that will move cash the fastest, execute it, then move to the next. I've been in your chair and I've felt the 3 a.m. sweats. Fix the killers and you get your nights back and you have a stable cash position.